Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, check Python with Python 3 version or Pi-3 so you know the interpreter. Then open your terminal on Mac OS, PowerShell, or Windows Terminal on Windows, and navigate to a working folder using cd or mkdir then cd. Once done, create a simple file, for example main. Pi, and type a quick print statement. This verifies the flow from editor to terminal and gets you ready to run commands. Now you'll run and manage scripts while understanding why each step matters. Execute code with Python 3 main, Pi or Pi-3 main. Pi, this runs the chosen interpreter directly. For consistent dependencies, create a virtual environment with Python 3 mvenv and activate it, because isolated environments prevent version conflicts. Once activated, install packages via pip install r requirements. txd so your project has the exact libraries it needs. Finish by using helpful tools and a key troubleshooting tip if something breaks. Start the REPL with Python 3 or Pi-3 to experiment interactively, and capture dependencies with Python mpip freeze requirements. txd to share or reproduce environments. When errors occur, read the traceback top to bottom. Check that the correct Python is on path and that your virtualenv is activated, because most issues stem from interpreter mismatch. If a module import fails, pip install it in the active environment and rerun your script to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.